Hello everyone, welcome back to the CATHAY Pacific Updates YouTube channel here with me, Roberto Monaco Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Raphael Wood. And today we will be talking about a CATHAY cargo Boeing 747-800F that flew to Xiamen this morning for maintenance and possibly to get her bigger CATHAY cargo titles. So this aircraft is registered as Probably Juliet Bravo. She took her flight number 63820 and she had a great circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time of 55 minutes, and a track 160 degrees as you can see it here. This aircraft took off the southern runway, the middle runway at 4:41 a.m. local time in Hong Kong, and then landed at runway 907 at Xiamen Gaoqing Airport at 5:36 a.m. local time, as you can see it here. So she is special for being the first ever Boeing 747-800F to be painted from old to new livery back in June 2018. So for the details of Probably Juliet Bravo, kindly check the previous video about this aircraft. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Monaco Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Raphael. Bye guys, and see you on the